speaking of whistling, I had to whistle for Sweeney Todd because our Sweeney could not whistle. So I'm there in the back. So I exit, and then I go and drink a glass of water or have a little bit of water, and then kind of situate myself near a conductor's monitor so that I could see Gerard. I mean, he never really had to cue me in, but it was fun to watch him do it anyway. Yeah, I think he knew that. Nah, I don't have to cue her in, but you know what? For fun, why not? So I was the assigned whistler for Sweeney.
Wasn't there? Wait, like, was it?
It's okay, wait lang. So how does it go? By the sea, anything you say, and I can see us waking. The break is breaking, a seagull squawking. Woo! Woo! That's one. That's one. And then
Sorry,
the
I
other
had to laugh.
is, I have to lead it with a lyric. And stripes, perhaps. Okay. In our bathing dresses, you in a nice rich navy, and me, stripes, perhaps. It'll be so quiet that who'd come by it except a seagull.
Yes, that's it. I'll turn for you. If this was the voice, I'll turn for you.
I am so sorry.
Do that douche sound. Do that button sound. There you go. I don't know what that's called. So do the douche sound. There you go. Someone said, just Lea Rinks just said, just for RIP phone users. Gabby. Gab.
With the
Perhaps it will be so quiet that who'd come by it except a seagull.
Yes, that's it. I'll turn for you. If this was the voice, I'll turn.